My people, wahala, I know they finish. Mama twins don't break table leg. He pieces the leg small. He break am. Una remember this girl wey be say they talk say, I'm crushing on you. I'm crushing on you. I want to see you in my dream. I'm doing this. I'm doing that. When I come out, come tell am say, Auntie, this my wife never come out. You no wan stop. If he come out for you now, they go say, hey, it don start. I am your man. Way. Nobody they go do am to make you enter house. Even you where they crush on another person, husband. So they not go do am to you. Oh. The auntie not see here. Oh, it can't see they do a video. Nah, mama twins don't come out. If you see the kind beating, until you see you now, I tell you, I say, ugbe ade unwera visual bania. You go come they like. That be because I dey crush. And una not they understand why do I been I go put the video for now, make una see the kind boss bass way give her. Because so much of everything is bad. If you want crush on somebody, person wey be say no get wife, you know say sometimes love they come. You know say that person get wife or get husband. Once you just hear say get wife or get husband, that love what vanish. It go just vanish, come on for your brain. She know because she know talk say she not know. Because Enogie, na inside this social media now we for know say if for engage mama Nora. Now inside this social media now you go put money for your head. Now inside this social media now for born your children with the see am. No be the one where you go come talk say I don't know who you want go tell say you don't know. Now person wey be say come today. He just the enter live video. Now today he open the live video the social media. Now you go talk say no papa twins. You see now that they talk to una not dey hear. Una go come sit down. They go una go they do the something. They go come they give out to your papa and your mama for where they dey. You feel just say now even though say not they alive. But your siblings not go they happy say yeah why you gbe awamu gbe when you come the wrong place. How you go they admire person where be say he get wife for his house. What did you expect that man to do? To leave your wife? To come to you? I don't understand. When I see they using a brain now, this kind of thing, they know they do it to me. Me not go agree. You where be say you did that, you not go agree. You see as it be now. Be this one. Because it still be like person when go marry another man. Where be say don't he get wife for inside house. Anything where the first wife they do you, just they minate, just they swallow one because you know before you go there. Nah, you know before you go there. You know if it say you don't know. Like this one now, when we're doing your wow. Make I put the video, make una see. Because this lady, he not do well at all. They know they do like that. They know they do like, even though say your brain, it can't turn upside down. How you can't they like, can't they do all this thing for another man, wife? Where you know say get wife. You not even respect the wife because it not concern you. Anyway, my people, as I see the video where they say, Mama twin say give her. Now say, oh boy, if then they talk to una, not they hear. Person sit down in you go they find out trouble. You go they tell them say you want to see her for a dream. They say you come. They say you come. Go tell them say the man not there available. Or call them no one. I never see this kind of thing before. They not even they fear. Nowadays they not even they fear. You just sit down. You want on your camera. You know they give your love to another man where be say why they house. What do you expect? Make the man run come meet you because he never see pekos before. Not be the schools where they carry they go. Not be why they carry they go. Oh come me. And now sugar there your honey all the way. Make I put the video for now. Wanna help me love and like and share this video. I tell you before, auntie, not to say I not tell you. I just tell you before. Say before make do lie ravish one make you piavante. You know you say you know the piavante. Na me everywhere na. Omo dan. We dan sa wa when you akpa yan wa when you efien yara me. Buisi oluku ma ho. Na bye bye.
About the girl when they UK, when not they okay. Someone sent me this comment. She said, Mama Nora, why are you lying? I asked you now if they do content and you said no. See this comment. See, my dear people, I don't know that mad girl before, and I can never know her. She can never be our family friend. Never. That girl, she be possessed. See, Rita, your name is Rita. That is not how to crush on a man. I saw your video when he said, when you are crushing on my husband, I will be very happy and glad. That is not how to crush. I know a lot of people do call me, Mama Nora, I like your husband, but your husband on my crush. So that is how to crush on a man. Not you coming to me down, be fooling yourself. Oh, go bijouer. Now go to kill your mama. Go bijouer. Why can't you? Is it? See, don't play with. Go and crush on your father. Go and crush on your brother. Go and crush of anything when you labor for, you go destroy for your hair. Now so they spoil people. Are you okay? Are you not? Rita, go bijouer. Can't you face your makeup? The hair you are doing, can't you face your hair? Are you not? What did they worry this guy? That is you're gonna get shame again. All this. Why get in a way? Rita, you don't they get shame again. Like what you call life? Call UK? Can't do be this? You don't see man when you carry for UK. The worst for people have been taking me is content. Are you okay? Are you mad? Who fear worry? Go bijouer. Is that to crush on a man? Everybody have crush. Maybe I say I have crush. Maybe I can maybe watching some movie. That is how they crush on someone. Not coming to me that and be fooling yourself. Do you ever think that this man has family? He have wife? What if wife go think? Oh, go bijouer it. Oh, what person don't do? What can scatter? You they met. Because me, your friend they look you say people they think. Oh, my friend calling me that maybe it's a content. On a plan, no one tell me. Rita, go bijouer, go bera. Can't you keep your kpeku to yourself? Can't you keep your nyash to yourself? I mean, they find who you want to give sickness. I said they are alive, so they head. You know, they okay. Who go on one now? Hey, Rita, go bijouer. See, take 10. Be one. Rita, be one. Man, not sugar for your hair. Be one. Rita, stop this nonsense. Why I not go bijouer? I hate doing such this year they do so. I hate it in my life. Be one, Rita. Go and face your makeup. Go and face your hair. A lot of men in UK, go and look for one there. And remove your hands from my man. This is not how to crush on someone. Are you supposed for a life? What have you contributed? Are you okay? Oh, go bijouer. Very dark man. There's a single man. Go and crush on him. And Titi there, go and crush on him. A lot of single man is there. Go and be crying for there. Are you okay? Rita, go bijouer. Or go lega. Are you okay? And the worst people are not even believing. Thinking maybe it's a plan work, it's a setup, maybe we play everything together. Are you mad? If you're not the yours green, we your buy ticket. And if my husband really send me you come, you go, say go let you come. All this ancient of devil. Ancient of devil. See ya. You don't do a lot of devil before you come out like this. Before you come out, you have did a lot of diabolical things in secret. When my husband was begging me to marry you, I said I no agree. Maybe you were happy. You were happy. You better stop this nonsense you think is a content you are doing. We're not going bijouer, Rita. Stop this nonsense you are doing, Rita. Useless girl. No, you can't get shame for her again. Because there's civilization, you will double. No, you can't get reserved. Get shame for her again. Everything we don't level for Rita, eh? Yeah, it go down. It go down. If you say me you start to the play, not to the use my this family, they sing, they play. Everything we don't level for Rita, it goes scatter for your hair. Are you mad? Are you mad? Oh yeah, shower. Oh yes, people are telling you, not because that I don't know before they'll say na plan work. Oh, go bijouer Rita. Because some people say be quiet, they look you. Who fear who? Don't try that. So go and try with your father. Go and try. Go and be crushing your father. Go and be crushing your father or your brothers. No. Say they bomb for more who don't get wise. So, how the name of they say I'm bold. Boldness kill you. Is that to be bold? Why can't you come and say, Enogie, I have 10,000 I want to support you. I like you. Crush your man, go like you the fake or head prick. You the fake freak bola kill you. Why go like your hair return no make your hair boo. Come eat, come fuck, come do. Now when the UK, some of you now when the UK will not do okay self. They really say man not the UK. Now Jamie prick under your hair. Useless thing. Ogun bijou e. O ya shawo.